Hello YouTube, it's Dallas here. Welcome back to another clothing review. I know it has been a while, but we are finally back with another clothing video. Today we have the Yeezy Boost, as you can see in front of me. Now I just want to say, I know I have said in my last video that I have a big video coming out with you guys. Yes, it's coming, it's in the process. It's been like a 2-month project, and I'm really proud of how this video is going. It is coming, it is huge, so stay tuned for that by clicking the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. But as you can see in front, we have the Yeezy Boost 350. These are the V2s, and they're basically the Pirate Black Yeezys. Short story, I entered in a raffle. It was a raffle in Adelaide to enter the draws for these shoes, and I was lucky enough to pick up myself a size 9. I was initially going to resell these shoes, and I wasn't really going to keep them. However, when I got them in person, I said to myself, nah, these have to be kept because these shoes are so nice. So as you can see, I've got 9 US, 8.5 UK. I know in all Adidas shoes I'm a UK 8.5, so that's why I got a US 9. So first of all, it's your normal Yeezy box, 350 up here. So you know, standard boxing. Now let's get into these bad boys. Alright, to the inside, not much special packaging like my Golden Gooses when I reviewed them. Basically just some wrapping, and then we have the shoes. I have worn them, so I did pop the tags because I just wanted to stop the temptation of selling them. I just wanted to keep them. So I have worn them once. I worn them once so far. So here they are, guys. Let's get them right side. As you can see, triple black. What a gorgeous shoe, first of all, guys. I really enjoy this colorway of the Yeezys because they're all black. They're gonna suit with everything you wear, and this is the big reason why I kept these shoes and didn't sell them. So basically, they got a prime knit uppers. So this whole upsole region is the primer knit material. And then as you can see, so there's 2 types. There's the full reflective version of these and the half reflective version of these. So as you can see already, even just through the camera, you can see that these shoelaces are reflective. So they've got the reflective laces, and also this, if you take a photo, this heel, like it's almost like it's the 3 Adidas stripes. I don't know if you can see it. So it's the 3 Adidas stripes with, when you take a photo, these also reflect as well. So yeah, so that's the only reflection of these models. And as I said, there is a full reflective model, and they go for resale around over $2,000. So that's that. And then you got a heel pull tab just here as well, just in the red. So that's a little bit of red coloring. That's the only other coloring on this shoe that's not black, and that's this part here. And then obviously you've got underneath, you've got your boost cushioning. So these are super comfy. They're basically, yeah, they feel like an Adidas Yeezys, Adidas Ultra Boost. So that's the same material. And then the outsole is rubber as well. So it's a rubber outsole with a primer knit upsole, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the material of these shoes. And what can I say, guys? These are just unbelievable. I showed my mum, and normally my mum doesn't really care about like what I buy, but I showed my mum, and even she was like, wow, these are wicked. These are wicked shoes. And as you can see, these are, it's almost like this area is almost like a mesh knit. You can see straight through it. You can knit that. It picks up on the other side as well, so you can even see my arm from the other side. So that's like a little mesh effect to it. But really nice shoe, triple black. It's the latest cult status sneaker drop from Yeezys. These are instantly recognizable. These Yeezys are. They show off a static inspired colorway that brings out a whole new meaning to the phase of triple black, keeping your comfort with Adidas signature boosts. Technology on your underfoot. The texture prominent pair showcase a streak of semi-transparent mesh. That's what I was saying here. Along each sidewall, and the red trimmed heel tab allows for them to be pulled on and off with ease. That's what Adidas say, and that's what these shoes are. Absolutely that. Ease, comfort, style, easy everyday wear. That's what I like from a shoe. I can put it on with anything I have. It's always going to suit nice. And obviously the Yeezys, so they are going to be a style symbol. People are going to be looking at them. People got to know that you got Yeezys on your foot, and that's the bonus of these shoes. I really do enjoy them. I've kept them. As I said, I initially went to the camp to resell them. Nah, these shoes are too good. I did keep them. So if you like this video, guys, and if it did kind of make you want to go and get yourself a pair of these shoes, please like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell for more of these fashion videos to come in the future. As I said, the big project is coming out very shortly. Hopefully I might have it by the end of this year. If not, I'll have it out at the start of next year. So please turn on that notification bell, subscribe, like, share this with your mates, and as always, remember, relax, have a Euros, and I'll be back in the next video.